I start the fire about 2 hours before I'm ready to cook in the brick oven, and then it's going to take about another hour to get the bricks inside the brick oven nice and hot and maintaining that temperature. It's my little damper. I keep that open during the entire time that I'm cooking, and this is just going to allow me to have more air movement inside the brick oven. The way I like to start my fire, I use what they call a lodge technique. It's like building a little cabin. I have my floor, my first 3 pieces down below, and then my walls, the 2 side pieces. And then I have a little bit of kindling for my top of the roof, and then the roof covering with a couple more pieces of wood. I only use pine wood for the kindling, just a few pieces. Everything else is always going to be hardwood that's been seasoned for about a year. That's going to help draw all that moisture out of the wood, and that's going to give you a nice even heat with a lot less smoke. If you enjoy our videos and like the brick oven lifestyle, please feel free to subscribe so we can send you new videos and updates.